how to use the Higgsfield AI. Okay, we are going to the tutorial for the use this AI and go to the Higgsfield point AI. Okay, here have the for the create image. Okay, the Cinema Studio image. Okay, for the real camera and lens simulation. Okay, this, and we are going to here and go to the create storyboard and videos. Okay, create videos, edit video, Cinema Studio video for the ads. Okay, for the create ads, and for the characters. Okay, the face swap, character swap, and etc. Okay, and here have for the create this you need a credits. Okay, for the free plan you have a 10 credits available. Okay, and for the upgrade you have 600 credits per month for the this. Okay, and for the this you have the this. Okay, credits per month, and it's very nice, the AI. Bye bye.